remember my Chevy van, Chevy Astro. It's a 1995 Chevrolet Astrovan, originally in from Japan, which I got a couple of weeks ago. It was on Facebook Marketplace. Nigel Taylor passed it on to me. That's Nigel from Unusual Cars and Car Spares. It used to belong to Plum Crazy Racing, which is a drag race team. You can see the Jeg sticker and what's left of the Plum Crazy. I've been driving it around a little bit. It's got 60,000 miles on it, which isn't much. The interior is a bit scruffy, and the paint, the lacquer, which is quite common, has gone. But it's not bad. One of the side lights doesn't work, and the number plate lights, both of them, don't work. But it's not a Chevy anymore. Yeah, I know, it's just a stupid video, but I love Fords. I couldn't be seen driving around in a Chevy now, could I? Get lost.